Here we go.
Now what are we looking at, 8 parts of resin to 1 part of hardener.
Yeah, so we're going to estimate how much we've got here and how much we've got in the bottom. And that's
8 parts of resin to 1 part of hardener. Maybe 2 drops. Maybe 3 drops.
Yeah, I'd probably go a little bit more than a little bit less. Oh, you got to be careful with that.
I've put 4 drops in.
Yeah. But we can sort of see how gummy this goes stirring it up.
Yeah.
And gauge if it needs a bit more hardener.
I can always put some more. I can delay the hardening of this by putting it in the fridge. I can hasten the hardening by putting it in the oven. But it doesn't matter anyway, I've got to put...
Just sneak around his hands here. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. You got to be careful because the stick will actually pick the turquoise out, so you kind of got to let it drip off the end of the stick.
Drip off the end of the stick as well as...
And once it's got a bit of...
to do.
A bit of...
Doesn't matter if it gets on the silver.
Yeah, we cut it back off.
Because it's all over.
The base and it will adhere
It's
to what's
all
already
over
in there.
anyway.
Do you ever use any hot air or anything to force the resin down?
To force the what?
Well, you know how if you get like a gel of it up on top, if you blow an air gun over it, it'll
blow it away.
It'll blow all the chips out though, wouldn't it?
So the chips out, yeah,
can't do
totally.
it. Yeah, well, this is my first time seeing turquoise inlay done. And it might be yours too, so I'm going to ask a lot of silly questions.
Go for it.
I need to find out. Wow.
This resin's so thin, it's just running down into the cracks between the turquoise. And because there's hardener in it, it will eventually harden up, stick to the surface of the silver.
I've seen people do similar things when they go to pour resin over artworks.
I've got a couple of little bits here that I have totally missed.
Okay, so he's going to refill. Yeah, the road sign.